Okay students, now we will do types of angiospermic plants. Types of angiosperms are depend upon different things like growth pattern. What is the growth pattern of the plants? Longevity, how long they live, habit of the plants and habitat of the plant. First of all, we will do by growth pattern. So let's start it. So first thing of growth pattern is size. So some angiosperms are very tiny and some are very large and long. Okay, so depend upon the size, there are three different categories of the angiosperm. First is the smallest angiosperm. So that is of few millimeter. So smallest angiosperm is Wolffia. Third pattern is about girth. So that is the largest plant is Ficus bengalensis. Okay, so these are the smallest Wolffia, longest is Eucalyptus, and the girth wise Ficus bengalensis is the largest plant in angiosperm. Clear? So this is the growth pattern according to the size. Next type of angiospermic plant is depend upon duration of life. So there are different types of plants which can live for 1 day, for 1 month, for 1 year, for many seasons. So depending upon these, there are different types of plants depend upon the duration of life. First is ephemeral. So life of this plant is few days to few weeks, only up to weeks. Okay. So the example of this type of plant is Arabidopsis. Second type is annual. So annual plants are those plants which complete their life cycle in one favorable season. The example is grove plants. So all grove plants complete their life cycle in one favorable season. Example is maize and wheat. So these are the example of annual plants. Clear? Next is biennial. So biennial plants are those plants which complete their life cycle in two favorable seasons. So in first season, they grow vegetatively. In the next season, they grow reproductively. Okay. So according to this, they complete their life cycle in two favorable seasons. Example of this type of plant is Beta vulgaris or beetroot. Next type is perennial plants. They vegetatively grow for many years, then they flower only at favorable seasons like mango tree. So we know that mango, that is Mangifera indica, is a perennial plant which grow vegetatively first of all, then at favorable season, at every year they bear fruits. Okay. There are other types of plants which vegetatively grow for many years and flower only once. Example is agave and bamboo. So these two plants flower only once in their life cycle. Flowers only one time. Clear? So these are the examples depend upon the duration of life. Next we will do type of angiospermic plants according to their habit. So according to their habit, the angiospermic plants are different types, like they can be herbs, they can be shrubs, they can be trees, etc. Okay, so first of all, we will start with the herbs. So herbs are the soft, short plants which can be annual. Example is brassica, like mustard, etc. Biennial, that is Beta vulgaris or beetroot. And perennial. In perennial we have canna or kana. Next type is shrubs which have woody stem and which are of short height. And there is no main trunk. Last type is trees. So in trees, main trunk is present. So in trees, trunk is present which can be branched or unbranched. Next types are climbers, joiners, creepers and trailers. So first of all, we will start with the climbers. Climbers are those type of angiosperm which have special organs to climb upward direction. So like if this is the stem of the plant, so they have special organ to make a spore to grow. Okay, so climbers have special structure. Example is liana. So liana is the example of climbers. Clear? Twinners. So twinner are also like climbers, but there is no presence of sporting structure. उसमें कोई sporting structure present नहीं होती. ठीक है? So इसमें कोई sporting structure नहीं है. Just that will be coiled on a sport. So example of twinner is pole beans. Clear? Next is creeper. So creepers are crawling plants which crawl on the ground, but they have special roots develop on them at different intervals which hold them tightly with the ground. So in creepers, holding roots are present, and in trailers that are also crawling plants on the ground, but they don't have special roots like the creeper. So example of creeper is pumpkin. Pumpkin has special roots on the main stem which help them to give support with the ground. Example of this is asparagus. Example of trailer is asparagus. Next type of angiosperm we will do on the basis of habitat. So what is habitat? Habitat is the particular area in which all species of plants are grown together. Okay, so habitat is a particular environment in which all plants grow together. So basis on the habitat, there are different types of plants like hydrophytes, mesophytes, xerophytes and epiphytes. So these are the different types of plants depend upon the habitat. So first of all, hydrophytes. So hydrophytes are those type of plants which grow in the water, means aquatic plants. Okay, so all aquatic plants are of different types. So the subtype of hydrophyte is submerged, जो completely पानी में अंदर होता है. ठीक है, the example is hydrilla. Okay, hydrophyte, aquatic, submerged, hydrilla. Next is submerged and attached, कि जो submerged है पानी के अंदर है और attached है, that is nymphia. Example is nymphia. Okay, so hydrilla is the example of submerged plant, aquatic plant, and nymphia is the example of attached submerged aquatic plant. Next type is free floating. So free floating type of plant are those plants which flow freely in the water. Example of free floating plant is Isonia and Wolffia. Last example of hydrophyte is amphibious. So amphibious are submerged but partially. Example is Sagittaria. So Sagittaria is partially submerged aquatic plant. Clear? So these are the hydrophytes. Next is mesophyte. So mesophytes are those type of plants which have moderate type of climate, where adequate amount of water for the growth of plant is present. So example is Brassica. Clear? Next is xerophytic plants. So xerophytic plants are those plants where scarcity of water is always there. Okay, so example is euphorbia, cactus, etc. So all these plants face scarcity of water always. Last type of this is holophytes. Holophytes are the plants which grow in the saline medium or salty water or saline earth. Okay, example of saline type of angiosperm is Spartina and Atriplex. Clear? And the last type is pending, which is epiphyte, which grow on the other plants. Epiphytes are the plants which grow on the other plants. Example is Cascata or Amarvale, also known as Amarvale, and Vanda. So these are the example of epiphytes. So these are the different types of angiosperms, depend upon the growth pattern, depend upon the habitat, habits, and longevity, etc. So this is all about basic of the angiosperm. Next thing we will do in our next video. Thank you.